Today I am going to share you a video regarding the voice. So let me get started. What is today's subject? WH questions. We have already learned active sentences, how to change it, assertive sentences, and now question, how to change it. WH family questions, okay? So through examples I will explain all the rules. So first question what is written on the blackboard is, where does he keep his pen? Children, the same rules will be applied here, the earlier videos what you have learned, but little slight difference only in this video. Listen here. WH questions means questions started with WH, the word WH, and what, which, where, when, how, why, whose, all these are WH questions. Questions are of two kinds. One is questions starting with auxiliary verb, and the other one is question starting with WH or question word, with the question words. So first of all, where does he keep his pens? So first step is, we will try to write the question word where. W-H-E-R-E, where will write at the first, in the beginning, and after that we will have a look at the sentence. First, what is, you have learned earlier, identification. So you have to identify subject, verb, object. Here, he, this is the subject. After that, keep, this is the verb. And object is his pens, object. Listen here, children. First, question word written. After that, we will find it out which is the object. Here the object is his pens. So again we will have a look at it. What tense is it? Do, does. You have already learned tenses in the class. Do, does is related to simple present tense. So do, does in the passive voice will change into is, are, am. So where already written. After that the object is his pens. His pens means more than one. More than one means is will not take, are will be taken. So after the question word, always we use auxiliary verb, that also according to the object. Where are, after that object. Where are his pens? And again, always I said earlier, we will use always the verb 3 form. What are the other verb forms of keep? Keep, kept, kept. So this is V1 form, this is V2 form, this is V3 form. So V3 form will use where are his pens kept by him. He, yesterday previous videos I taught you that he will change into his, she will change into her, I will change into me, we will change into us, they will change into them. I am not going to repeat it again and again. So study those videos, previous videos clearly, okay? Where are his pens kept by him? So formula for this is first question word. What is question word? question word plus and have a look at it. Question word where. Okay, that finished. Next is auxiliary verb. You know there are 24 auxiliary verb. Is, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, can, could, may, might. There are 24. Okay, don't forget that. So helping verb already finished. After that, object. Object plus verb 3 form, always in the passive voice, as I told you earlier. Third form only will be used. That don't forget. If you forget, gone your mark, 1 mark gone. And after that, preposition by plus subject. Subject also possessive form. Okay, that also don't forget. He, him, I, me, all those things. And now I will move to the second question. Number 2. When did he write the books? All these are, and again one thing, question mark must be used. After making the full answer correctly, if you forget to apply question mark, your mark gone. So keep it in mind. Now next, when also question word is according to the formula. Now we can do question word is when. Okay, I wrote when. After that we will go for identification, that is subject, verb, object. Subject, the one who does the action is called the subject, and the action itself is verb, and who receives the action is object. Here he write the books. He is the subject, write is the verb, the books is the object. So according to the formula, now we will do question word already I have written. After that, helping verb. Helping verb, how will find it out? That is the next task. Listen here. Do, does, I told you, it is present tense. If it is do or does, is, are, will be used. But here not to do or does, here came did. So children, don't forget, did we will use was or were in the passive form. Was or were, and after that, and to or here was or were, which one will be selected? That is the next assignment you have. Listen here. He write the books, always in the passive voice. According to the object, we select the helping verb. The books, that is plural, so not was, were. When, where. Then again, don't forget, after the question word always will come helping verb, but direct, indirect speech we will use after the question word. Subject will use. That always you children, you used to make a mistake. Always keep it in mind. After the question word, auxiliary. When, where, then according to the formula, question word finish, then now was or were in the past tense. So when, where, the books plural, so where, when, where, then now object, the books. When, where, the books. Again there are 3 forms. Every verb has 3 forms: write, wrote, written. Come, came, come. Eat, ate, eaten. Walk, walked, walked. By adding ed, many of the verb will get past tense. Some are irregular verb. They will not get by adding ed. So that is different in nature. Okay, let it be. When, where, the books. So now verb 3 form is written. Written by, he changed into him. And question mark, don't forget. If you forget that, mark gone. Then now next, third question. Why are you calling him? it is look here. By looking at here you will come to know it is a continuous tense, an action which is going on. Ing form of the verb plus in front of the main verb. If there is auxiliary is or was where, then it is continuous tense. Why are you calling him? So, okay, as usual, question word will write. Why? Thereafter, we will search for the object. You calling him. You subject calling, you are calling, okay, you are calling him. Him is the object. But him, when we write as a subject, it will change into he. He means he is, not are. Why are you calling him? Here are, but in the passive voice, is only will come. Why is he? Him will change into he as a subject. Why is he? Then earlier you have studied all the continuous tenses. Being will be used while changing into passive voice. So that don't forget always all the continuous tenses. Why is he being? Here we will put being. Why is he being? Then the same way, three forms of the verbs are called, called. So verb three form always we will take. Why is he being called? By you. You in the subject place and object place, it remains the same. I, me will make, he, him will make, I told, but you has no change at all. Don't forget children all these rules. Why is he being called, by you? By you. Preposition by also needed. Now we'll go to next question, that is question number 4. Who wrote it? So this also who, then again one more rule, who will change into by whom. That don't forget always. Who will change into by whom. So question word finish. Then we will go for, this is simple past tense. How would you come to know it is simple past tense? You will write and see. Write, wrote. Already I written, I had to see here. Up I wrote. Write, wrote, written. So wrote second form is used here. So by looking at it, we will come to know it is simple past. And there is no auxiliary in front of it. So it is simple one, simple past. By, and past tense always was or were. By whom? Again object is it. It means singular. So by whom was it written? And question mark. By whom was it written? And children, the word, the question word who is related to three more rules. Who generally we change into by whom was it written. Okay, that correct answer. Always you can apply this method. But again one more method is there. Who we can use direct who also. Who was it written by? By will write at last. Likewise also we can write it. Don't forget that some answers you might have seen who, direct who is written, then madam said by whom will change, you don't get confused. That way also we can make. But now only I am teaching only one method that you will do for your exam. So next one, number 5. When do they send the letters? So same way, when we'll write first, after that we will search for the auxiliary. They subject, send is the verb and the letters object. So the letters plural, do means here written already do, does will change into is or are. Here letters plural, so when are the letters, and send is irregular verb, we will not add ed. Send past tense is SCNT, sent. Send. Okay. When are the letters sent? SCNT. Always children, you used to make a mistake. Send past tense is T. When are the letters sent by, then they will change into them, you have already learned, and question mark. Okay. Now we will go for 6. Number 6. Where had she put the files? So as usual, question word will write where. After that, this is perfect tense. So perfect tense has, have will change into had, but had has no change at all. Had will be written had only. So where had she, where had the files, and again in the perfect tenses, simple perfect, past perfect, future perfect, been will be used, all these don't forget, okay. Where had the files been put, and put also has one peculiarity, put, 3 forms the same, so verb 3 form also same. Where had the files been put by her? Again question mark. Now next one, same way, when, and this is future tense. Shall, will, can, could, may, might, all these are future tenses. In the future tense we use be, that don't forget. When will comes be. So when, and again no singular plural. With I and we use shall, and remaining all will, no singular plural, okay. When will the roads be. This don't forget, extra one we add. When will the roads be, and third form of the verb. Repair, repaired by them. Again question mark. Why should you suspect me? Why will come. Again should is modal auxiliary verb. Which are the modal auxiliary verb? Can, could, may, might, should, ought to, used to, should, must, all these are modal auxiliary verb. So modal auxiliary verb has no change at all. Straight we will write it. Why should you suspect me? Why should, me will change in the subject place I. Why should I and be? All the modal auxiliary, that is future tense, be, don't forget. Why should I be? Again third form of the verb. Suspected by you. You has no change at all. Subject or object both the same. Okay.